Meet Paolo. Paolo is a huge fan of football and he plays as a striker in his local team. They're not in the Premier League, but they have many more fans since they started using GoalShouter. GoalShouter is the free platform for transmitting, following and sharing the direct feed of your matches online. The current systems for making commentary are expensive or inefficient. GoalShouter automates and simplifies everything, and relating the match becomes child's play. Anyone can be a reporter. Create a match. Press the key that corresponds to the action on the pitch to make a live commentary and not miss even an instant for your fans by taking photos of the best moments. All the updates can be automatically shared on Facebook and Twitter. Your fans will be able to follow the commentary in real time and take part by commentating and sharing the match or voting for the best player and the winning team. You'll also be able to embed the direct feed of the match on your site, thus increasing your visibility and that of your sponsor. Making your team known to thousands of people has never been more simple. Check out GoalShouter right away at www.goalshouter.com.